Hi guys, good morning. So today we are going to unboxing my iPhone 14 Pro only, sorry. This is 256 GB and let's open it. And this is it. Wow, this is black color guys. Yes, the back is two cameras only because this is Pro only. This one, yes. Let's open this one. Yeah, it includes only the USB cable for charger, only this one. And this one is the directions and any clarifications about instructions about the iPhone. And this is guys made in designed by California. Let's open it. Yeah, this one. So nice. I like black color only. Hello. Yes. We're going to set up now the settings. From this one guys, you're going same also the previous iPhone 13 like that 12 is the same also. You need to and how to set up. Of course, you need to choose the country if where you are. Like me, I am here in Saudi Arabia, so I need to select Saudi Arabia. Yes, 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 yes. This one, Saudi Arabia. And quick start. And just click to continue. Yes. And from this one, we need to choose Wi-Fi. Yeah. I already connect my Wi-Fi, guys. And from this one also, we need to put our Apple ID. After you put Apple ID, we need to set up about the Siri and this one, and then the appearance normal only, display zoom, standard, and just continue. And welcome to iPhone. Yes, slide only, and this is it. Wow, it's nice. And let's try, guys. We need to try, of course, the camera. Yes, the camera. Let's try this one. Zoom, yan. Yes, it's so nice. I like the camera so much. Let's try this one and this one. Wow.